Imagine if you could stop saving tomorrow and your investments would still grow to cover your retirement. That's Coastfire, and it's not complicated, it's not extreme, it's just one number that unlocks the ability to coast your way into financial freedom. Today, I'll show you what Coastfire is, how to calculate your number, and share a real student case study of someone who used this strategy to literally buy back over 10 years of their life. This is part 2 of our 5-part How to Retire Early series. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, make sure you circle back because each video stacks on top of one another. Welcome back, Rich Chicks. If you're new here, I'm Taylor Price, and this is Priceless Tay.
Money expert Taylor Price.
Founder of Priceless Tay.
Taylor Price, Gen Z money expert. TikTok influencer Taylor Price, also known as Priceless Tay.
If you started investing in 2020, you would have doubled your money by investing in the S&P 500 to 2025.
Yeah.
The money talks, not just me. We want people to thrive, not just survive. If you're ready to start investing, start with Priceless Tay.
You don't need a finance degree or a complicated spreadsheet to know your Coastfire number. You'll only need 3 things: your current age, how much you already have invested, and how much you want to spend in retirement. That's it. The best part, our Coastfire calculator does the rest in seconds. I've linked it below so you can run your own number while you're watching. Everyone thinks the goal is $1 million. In fact, in 2025, the magic number most Americans think they need to retire is 1.26 million. But here's the truth. The median actual retirement savings for people close to retirement is only about $185,000. That's less than 1/6 of the goal. No wonder people feel stuck. You're told to chase big, blurry number, $1 million, maybe even $5 million, but no one explains where that number comes from. So you grind, you guess, and you save, and you still feel behind. But here's the smarter question. Instead of asking, how much do I need someday? Ask, what's the minimum I need invested right now so compounding takes over? That's the number that flips everything. And that's exactly where Coastfire comes in. So what is Coastfire? It's the point where you've already invested enough that your money grows on autopilot, no extra deposits needed, and still hits your retirement goal. That means if you stopped contributing today, you'd still be set by the time you hit 65. Let that sink in. Most people think retirement savings means you save every single year until you're old and exhausted. But Coastfire flips that. You front load the work, you invest early, then you let compound interest carry the load while you focus on building a life, not just a portfolio. Here's the visual I want you to keep in mind. Think of your investments like employees. The earlier you hire them, the longer they work, and the less you have to. Coastfire is that moment where you've staffed your business and now your dollars show up and do the job for you. And the best part, you don't need a finance degree or a complicated spreadsheet to know your Coast number. You only need 3 things: your current age, how much you already have invested, and how much you want to spend in retirement. That's it. Our Coastfire calculator does the rest in seconds. And by the way, once you've got your number, the real question becomes, how do you hit it faster without giving up your lifestyle? That's what I show you in part 3 with 6 rules every 20-something can follow to make early retirement real. Now that you know the theory, let's make this real. I'll share Christian's story, one of my students who plugged his numbers into the calculator and discovered a timeline that completely changed how he sees his future. Christian used to feel stuck in this loop most 20-somethings know too well: work, save, repeat, and still feel behind. When we plugged his numbers into the Coastfire calculator, his age, his current investments, and his retirement goal, he finally saw his Coast number. One clear target instead of chasing some blurry millionaire dream. That number showed him something life-changing. He's on track to hit Coastfire by August 2030, which means if he never invests another dollar after that date, his money will compound into his full retirement goal. From there, we set up this simple system. I call it the rich routine, featured on the news all over the place, that makes every paycheck flow automatically towards his goals. I'll break this down exactly in part 5 of this series, but here's the key takeaway. Christian didn't have to overhaul his life. He still goes to the movies, I think pretty much every week. He didn't cut out his fun, but while he's living, his money quietly is compounding in the background. That's what Coastfi really gives you. Clarity, direction, and the freedom to live totally without sacrificing life today or tomorrow. When you hit your Coast number, the game changes. Your money keeps working and you finally take back your timeline. That moment you hit Coast, you can stop contributing to retirement and still stay on track. Why is this? Because compounding is carrying the load now. You're not quitting work, you're choosing work. That difference is everything. So, Taylor, where does the cash flow go now? Here's where I teach my students to reassign those freed up dollars. First, keep any employer match. That's instant ROI. Second, build a 3 to 6 month cash cushion so choices feel safe, not scary. In case of any emergencies come up, this is your safety net. And third, redirect the rest into freedom drivers, paying off high interest debt, stacking a runaway fund for a career pivot, or finally starting your business. If you take one thing from this section, let it be this. Once you hit your Coast number, every dollar should buy back time, not just stuff. So how to maintain the Coast without backsliding? Staying at Coast isn't hard. Keep your investments working, rebalance once or twice a year, update your calculator check-in amount annually to keep inflation in check. That's it. The system runs in the background. You run your life. This is where work becomes optional and you can downshift to 4 days a week, take a sabbatical, or even switch to a lower paying role that fits your life better. Your portfolio becomes the quiet employee who keeps performing, whether you clock in or not. But quick warning, a lot of people hit Coastfi and then sabotage it. The big 3 traps: going all cash when the market wiggles, rating investments for lifestyle upgrades, meaning you're selling off your investments to afford something in your life, and dropping free money like your employer match. Avoid those, and Coastfi isn't fragile. It's one of the most resilient systems you'll ever build financially. Now, the bigger truth, most people don't even make it this far, not because they can't invest, but because they believe myths that keep them stuck before they've ever even started. I hear this all the time. You need millions, it's too late, it's too complicated. But let's bust these 5 biggest myths about Coastfi right now and replace them with the truth. Myth number 1, you need millions to start. The truth, you don't. Coastfi is about hitting the minimum invested amount today that compounds into millions later. Myth number 2, Coastfi means quitting work forever. Truth, it doesn't. It gives you work optionality. You can keep working, pivot careers, or downshift hours while your retirement plan grows quietly in the background. Myth number 3, once you hit Coast, you're done forever. False, okay? Coastfi isn't one and done. Life shifts, and that's why the calculator is your compass. Check in once a year and adjust as needed. Myth number 4, it's only for high earners. The truth, Coastfi is a system, not a salary bucket. Whether you invest $500 or $5,000 a month, starting early is what makes your dollars do the heavy lifting. And myth number 5, it's too complicated to calculate. The truth, that's exactly why we built the Coastfi calculator. No spreadsheets for you, no formulas that you have to worry about. Just plug in your age, your goal, and your retirement year. Poof, done. Now you know the myths, the truths behind them, and how beginners like Christian are proving this works. But the real shift isn't just hitting your Coastfi number. It's what happens once you start living with clarity, and that's exactly what we'll close with. So today you'll learn what CoSPI really is, how to calculate your number, and how Christian used it to buy back over a decade of freedom. But knowing your number is only step one. Step two is building the system that gets you out there without burning out. And that's exactly what we cover in part 3. The 6 rules every 20-something should follow if they want to retire earlier. Click over to part 3 and let's keep stacking your freedom plan.